Hey everybody, Mark Vogel here for my Module 2 self-assessment when it comes to technology in my classroom. When looking through the matrix, I fit more in the adoption column here. Um, when it comes to collaboration in the classroom, I often have my students work in partners, work in groups using different tools, but I don't really find myself under the adaptation or infusion or transformation phase yet. The one awesome thing with the transformation is collaborating with not only peers but outside experts. So that would be awesome if I could get my students to talk to and see how the math that they're learning really ties to the real world. Um, when it comes down to authentic, I do use technology with some meaningful context, but my goal overall when it comes to technology is to get to the adaptation phase. I always have my students come up with goals for themselves in the classroom and outside the school, and I always tell them to make it realistic. So I don't think it's realistic for me to go from adoption to infusion or even to transformation. So I think my first goal would be get to adaptation. In the long run, I would love to get my Algebra 1 courses to do more projects and more project-based learning, which would certainly get myself over to the transformation phase. But we always have so much content to get through. And Algebra 1, we're really learning to build a lot of basic skills and get a good, strong foundation for the students before they get to geometry, Algebra 2, and then possibly pre-calc and calculus. When it comes to the authentic row, having my students being more independent and using activities in their lives, I often try to relate the content to their lives by either showing videos where they would see the material, but if I can kind of have them figure that out and explore, obviously we want them to be innovative with their creating things, but if I can get them to use technology to relate the content to their lives, that would be awesome for them. Overall, I think with the online learning we've had in the last few months this year, I think I have improved my Schoology use and other tools I've been using, but I can certainly always grow when it comes to technology because technology is always changing. So some goals I would love to incorporate would be somehow getting projects into my courses, and if they can talk to experts, people in the field, maybe go visit a business and see how they use math, and also having students connect the content to their lives. Ways I think that I could enhance the learning process and make it more memorable and enjoyable for my students. Thanks. Have a great day.